Lenovo docking stations sometimes fail to properly extend your display to dual monitors due to various reasons. These can range from simple connection issues to more complex driver or firmware problems. We'll start by exploring the common culprits behind this issue to give you a clear understanding of where the problem might lie. Start by checking physical connections like HDMI and DisplayPort cables before moving to software updates and power delivery issues. Before checking software, start with basic hardware. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely connected to both the docking station and monitors. Try different ports on the dock and monitors to rule out faulty connections. Use Windows Detect function in display settings to refresh monitor connections. For HDMI issues, use certified 2.1 cables to prevent signal degradation, especially for 4K monitors. Mismatched resolutions like 4K versus 1080p or refresh rates like 60 Hz versus 120 Hz can also cause display issues. Insufficient power to the docking station can prevent the second monitor from activating. Ensure the dock is properly powered and connected to a working power outlet. Also, check your laptop's BIOS settings to ensure multi-display support is enabled. Outdated BIOS can also cause compatibility issues, so update to the latest version if necessary. Insufficient power draw or disabled multi-display in BIOS can prevent the second monitors from activating. Ensure the dock is powered and laptop BIOS is updated. Lenovo Vantage is a crucial tool for diagnosing and fixing docking station issues. The updated Lenovo Vantage 2.0, released in 2025, features AI-driven diagnostics that can automatically scan for monitor problems and suggest fixes. Use Lenovo Vantage to check for driver updates, run hardware scans, and troubleshoot common issues. When installing updates, the system shows progress through a loading bar. Statistics show a 40% reduction in support tickets when using Lenovo Vantage for automated fixes. A common issue occurs with ThinkPad X1 Carbon laptops after Windows updates, where dual monitors fail to display properly. To resolve this, roll back the Lenovo System Interface Foundation driver to version 1.2.3.4 or temporarily enable Duplicate Displays mode. Use Device Manager to roll back the driver. HDMI flickering is common with Yoga series docking stations, often caused by cable capacitance overload. Fix this by using shorter shielded cables to reduce capacitance overload. Keep your Lenovo docking station's firmware up to date. Lenovo releases firmware updates to address compatibility issues and improve performance. Check for updates via Lenovo's support website or the Lenovo Vantage app. Pay attention to compatibility with the latest Windows 11 builds, as some users have reported screen flickering on non-Lenovo monitors, particularly with Windows 11 24H2. Firmware version 3.50 improved HDMI 2.1 compatibility and reduced latency in dual display setups. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your dual monitors still aren't working, consider seeking professional assistance. Contact Lenovo's support team or consult with a qualified IT technician. They can provide advanced troubleshooting and diagnose potential hardware faults. Always back up your data before seeking professional help. Remember to proactively maintain your system with regular driver and firmware updates.